Alan Trevor with my guests,
Wow.
Tony and Fabio from Germany.
Hola.
Please give your opinion about the coffee.
I need to try first.
Yeah.
Coffee Aceh, very very good, very nice coffee.
Di sini kebetulan hari ini lagi ada turis dari Jerman. Mereka dibawa untuk menikmati kopi Aceh yang berada di Solong. Ini si Mister ini mau nyobain. Wow.
Yes, not enough? Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yes. Yeah.